Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I was at this store not too long ago. They still have a few of the tea towels. These are 100% cotton, but no more of the pillowcases here. Mugs, the light up cups are still kicking around. Aren't these pretty? I just think they're so nice. Can do a little tree farm staging setup. And if you need tissue paper that's specific to Christmas, they have some here. Snowflakes, some say Merry Christmas on them. It's hard to get in because there's boxes, but if I go to another store, I'll go through it a little bit easier. I don't like to move the things out of when the staff are working. Lots of signs, things that are, over the years kind of come back. By the way, the nutcrackers, were they wood in the past? Because now they're plastic. Some owls have a gold belly. This one has the plaid. They have these new snowflakes, the LED candlestick. They also have the deer that are in acrylic, the clear acrylic. Little houses here. Oh wow, snowflake is new. So these here are so pretty, and if you stage them with other glass decor, it looks like a glass reindeer. It's just so deceiving to your eye. These metal balls are selling very fast. People personalize them. Have you spotted the new gingerbread plushies? So cute. And they don't have any eyes or pieces. Same with the reindeer. Most of this line is really nice and kids safe, which I appreciate. These are all placemats, and you can turn them into pillows really easily. And they also have the door mats as well. And you can layer those on top of a bigger mat. These sell really fast this time of year. If you see them and you need them, definitely buy them when you see them. I love these little tins. I wish the top was different. The blue pink mugs. So cute. I feel like I'm playing Tetris, but I need 3 pink mugs. These are the cutest. They're knee socks too, so, well, some of them are. The white tree, the green tree, and all the nice wood DIY options here. Some things are super glittery, and I tried to not touch too many things. I love these pieces of fabric. Be cute to make a fabric bag for Christmas, a gift bag. I'm back over here. His little face is a little bit stitched funny. I thought I'll walk down this aisle here. It's all the candles, the new candles with the wooden lids. There's some options. And then they also have these, which I thought they look like ornaments, and they have silver and gold. You can put a little candle in it too, I think, and light it up with a Christmas layout. They have lots of rocks, and it seems like they have some new ones that I haven't seen before. I'm not sure what everyone's doing with them, but they have options as well. Oh, they have seashells. A bag.
Yep, get the
toys.
All right.
Can I buy?
How sweet was that little one who just ran past? That's how I feel when I come into Dollar Tree. Instead of screaming toys, I'm usually screaming crafts, stationery. So cute. I just smiled at him, but I wasn't talking to you guys because I didn't want to spook him. But just what a little doll. Need to find the happy birthday ribbon again. I know I've seen it before. I think it goes with this line, but of course when I'm looking for stuff I never find it. Beautiful vase options here as well. Some lidded jars if you're stashing things in your craft room, gems, you know, jewels, beads, and then they have all these canvases. These are the badge holders, but they don't have the actual pull. I forget what they're called. I guess they are badge holders as well. Magnetic clips. I hear very good things that those are very nice and strong magnets. These here. And then they have retractable card holders. That's what they are. So there are dual packs or three trio packs. Some only come with one, so be mindful of that. I'm not sure if there's a difference in quality. That's cute. Retractable pen on a... They have Crayola. Oh, yeah, we've seen these before a while ago. I actually like the layout. I just wish that the paper quality was a bit different, but on the front cover, but otherwise I'll think about it. I like the layout, but I'll have to think about it. Still, the sentiment is not my favorite, but it has the same layout. I might grab this one. Yeah, I think I will. I really like this color. I'm just not a fan of the inside layout, but it just doesn't have as much space. Anyways, Crayola stuff, lots of Crayola. They have these new, well, they're not new, but they're the glitter pens, and I hear they sell very fast once they hit the shelves. So everyone seems to love them. And they have purple, blue, pink, orange, and I feel like there's another pack out there somewhere. These are Bic, and they are colored, right? Colored ink. I forgot to mention that these are chisel tip. And here are some more planners. Academic. If they didn't have lines, the blue, I'm just not feeling the color. They have some of these. Ink. Zebra, which is a great line. Zebra makes midliners. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that line. Oh, these are the ultra fine pens that do fit the Cricut machine. I'm not sure about the Joys, but the regular Cricut. I'm finding some new things in the craft section. So if you're making jewelry, these are perfect little kits. I think I might grab gold. And you can attach them to these. Do little hanging charms for Christmas or something, or even little ornaments. Beautiful tags here, so chalkboard tags. They also have, I think I saw wood and metal ones. These cutouts are actually iron-on transfer, so you can cut things out with your cutting machine and then iron them onto clothing, I think, right? Has anyone done something cute for Christmas with the metal tags? They have this smaller box and then this larger one. I'm not sure if anyone's made little pull drawers or something with them. go through here and look as carefully as possible. And really stands out to me. But check this out. Big balls of yarn. So if you're doing something cute for Christmas. Lots of vinyl rolls here, glittery rolls. Sometimes they have like a faux leather. By the way, have you seen some of these notebooks? They also have a Mickey Mouse one. They look like they have newer things to me that I haven't seen before. But this time of year, they usually come out with a ton of coloring books. And sometimes you get lucky to find Crayola and all sorts of really nice books. This is cute. Hello Kitty is really popular this year, especially for Christmas. It's trending. They have some Scholastic books. These are the thin canvas boards. So many nice signs, and they're really large. One of my favorite organizers in my craft room, especially for all my little trinkets, are these. Specifically the 3-divider, the stackable ones that are the drawer pulls. I just glue them together and they work so beautifully. You can tell that I haven't been at this store very often because I don't really know where to go or turn. So I'm just trying to find my route around here, but there's some new stuff. These wipes are kind of newer at Dollar Tree. Some things I've never even seen before. These I have. Let's take a look here. They have bath bombs, bar soap, shampoo, conditioner, hand soap, all the things. And I just wanted to share the beauty blenders as well. There's some new ones, and I think they're so cute. And that would be a cute gift, like a beauty blender, a little spa headband for washing your face, prevent your hair from going in your eyes. Are these a staple at Dollar Tree? Or are they a grocery store find? I just came back to the craft aisle and look what I found. Glass jars with a dropper. How they're so hard to find. I like no-show socks, and they always have to have like the little gripper, and these have them. So some of you were saying the juncture socks, these ones are all great. I'm gonna have to try them. I'm not in need of any socks right now, but anyways, just thought I'd let everyone else know that there has been some really great reviews on the channel, and I appreciate that when you guys let me know if socks are good or not, or anything, any product that you love or don't like. It's good to know what you don't like too, because sometimes it saves us money and a headache. I don't really see anything too new here, so I'm going to go down the aisle kind of quick. These are cute, aren't they? And I wanted to go down the food aisle for sure, because there's Rice Crisps crackers that my son really likes, and I have to see if they have some here. See quickly what's here. They have lemon, lime, These are kisses actually. I think is it Hershey's that makes kisses? I can never remember. And it's peppermint. I think I'm gonna grab a pack of these. Whoppers. Check this out. There's Aurora beef, and then they also have the bouillon in the little cans. Just maybe none here. I know they had a whole bunch at the other store. I guess they don't have any here. Look at this. Mr. Noodle's bowl. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.